Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 12th of July. My software has shown me a sell scalp opportunity assistant B trade. So I'm going to take a 9 lot size sell and I'll be setting my take profits. This is the account that we started with. There you go. This just going to set my take profit. This is the account that we started with $250. We've made $3,250 withdrawal so far, and we've made $23,000 profits. We've withdrawn how much we put into the account. Remember, if you want to copy my trade, sign up with Yoga Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 to $500 in your account. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram in order to join. And if you want to test my software for 2 weeks for free, sign up with Yoga Markets, link in description below. So make sure you have $150 in your account. Send me proof of that on WhatsApp and Telegram. And if you want to buy the course to take live trades with me while learning, I'll teach you with live trades and get the software also for free. Go to hedgingmastermind.com to buy the course. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and we'll be right back when we're into more profits in the market. All right, we are so much more into more profits than I thought. There was news and the market came all the way down. I'm going to close my profit very soon, and there you go, because this was more than extra profits than I expected to get in the market. Okay, I got more profits than I expected to get because of news, and we were able to make profits. So, oh yeah, I have a student here with me. We're on Zoom, so he's watching me take this live trades. So we're able to make in total over $3,700. $3,700 very, very quickly, very, very, very fast and quick in the market. Okay, when I took this trade, when I took this trade, I haven't even started. Guys, like, share, and subscribe if you want to copy my trades. Sign up with Yoga Markets, fund your account with at least $350, send me proof of that. Same thing if you want to test my software that does all the analysis, fund your account with at least $150. And we'll be right back with another video very soon when we're into more profits. $3,700 scalping the market very good, and the market is still dropping. When I say go down, the market must go down. Like, share, and subscribe, and make a comment, and we'll be right back in another video very soon. If you want to learn, go to hedgingmastermind.com and we'll be back.